Gusto na. Daw matukunot, makunot.
Madali pa naman yung one. Oh. Negative na,
Pwede yan kay Nathan mga pag, ito pwede ito rin kay Nathan, oh. May individual. Hindi yan sugar.
Oh no. Another. And doon yung mga laro na pasin, pag pakita talaga kung sino tapusin lahat. Another. Another what? Another. Papasin ka dun. Oo. Eh, may mapasin kasi dun, bawat lamisa. Gusto, iniikot lahat. Another what? Another. Ay, listen, please. Please? No, please.
That is full. That is full. That is stomach is big. Also, Toto's stomach is big. Toto is full. Put it here, my love. You get some. Get more. Open it though. Tomorrow, that's your baon. That's your baon at school tomorrow, okay? Mommy bought something. Mommy bought, I think, ni Mata yan yung inano ko binili. Kasi naisip ko kay Nathan yan baon.
Ay, tomorrow na. Hey.
Tsaka ito.
Ted, please. Nathan.
Inside the box, there's more. There's more inside the box. Get another.
Another one. Okay, lubig yan to.
Wala. Another one! Wow!
What's that? Bye. Bye. What is that? Hey. No.
There's more inside the box. You get it and put it on top of the table. Another. That's Nathan's baon. Oh yes, Toto. Pip pip. Pip pip. Toto likon. Toto likon. Oh, get more. There's more. Gusto niya kumain talaga. It's yummy. Is it yummy, my love? Ano, yummy. Yummy. Oh, get more. Yummy niya yan. More, get more.
Okay, yan ako.
Wow! Baita!
Yummy, yummy.
Masarap sa kanya. Yummy eh.
What's that? That's a bisko. Ano yun? Ang tawag niyan?
Happy siya eh.
Pasensya. Pasensya. Sa Bizcocho House. Yan yung favorite ni Nathan, no? Sarap na sarap siya. Kinakain niya.
Ano sabi?
Ay, nagkagsay mo pang tricycle?
Wala man.
Away,
Wala na cellphone.
wala na cellphone.
Pwede na
Daw
ako
man
number.
yung parang tricycle.
Hindi ko rin maklaro.
Reklamo.
Wala. Ang ganap kita.
Dito the mahal chair. Ano eh?
Get another, get another. Oh,
Fall in line, fall in line.
you throw it. You throw it inside the trash can. That's great job. Enough na, enough na. Di ba you clean it up na?
This time, oh, nag-wash na ko na hands. Oh, mait na, oh. Here. Waray. Hindi pwede niyo bantay kung bakit siya. No, I'm clean. Okay.
Wow.
Wow, baby's hand is clean. Baby's hands are clean.
I'm clean.
Ayit na.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Not good, Nathan.
It's not good.
No, it's dirty!
Ayaw mo na. Ayaw mo na.
Agro, baka dun sa school ganon. Hindi pwede. No, Nathan. Mas madumi doon.
Yummy.
Di pa naman nababantayan daw. Dami nagawa sa bantay.
Eh, dudro ba? Maludro nga kinda-kinda ito. Kakasiyar wa, di siya nakaya.
Nakaya lagi.
Pati ka, nabulig na.
Pati guard?
Okay, di na kaya. Alam mo bata. Si ang babae, lalaki. Mare, tindiruan. Pila, damo. Kaso yung mga kinit, damo ka pinagkagawat. Ito kan. Ganun ba ka? Ganun ka rin ito kasi.